Mic check, mic check. Get into some heavy ass back. Set it off. 10 reps, and then we're gonna superset with the lat pull downs. The other way. Yeah, whatever you see the sign at, that's what it's at. Come on, let's get it. Time to go, time to grow, baby. I finally got him in the workout. Gonna get this big back day, baby. Time to grow that motherfucking back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. 10 reps, get that 10 in. Get that 10 in. Yes, sir. Right to it, right to it. Superset, don't play with it. Getting right to these gains, baby. Right to these gains. Yeah, yeah. Let's get this money. Nice, nice. All right, get my first set in. Oh, boy. Whew. Let's go, baby. Fuck. Make sure you contract that back. Whew. All right, let's rock and roll, doggy. Yeah, heavy ass motherfucking weight, dog. Come on, get to it. Get to it. Get to it. Come on, come on. No surrender, no retreat. Keep going. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Say that talking for your break. That's what we're doing right here, man. No excuses. Get these motherfucking gains, baby. Get right to these gains. Yes. Let's go, baby. I get on set number two. Set number two, baby. I'm still on 187. I'm gonna keep it right there and get it going, get it going. 1, 2. Hey. Woo. I'm surrendering on retreat, baby. Yeah. Let's rock and roll. Come on, come on. Huh? Yes. Time to get big, baby. Get big or die trying. Yes, sir. Come on, yeah. Let's go. Push that fucking weight. Come on, get to it. Yeah, get to it. Get to it. Yes, sir. All right, baby. Third set. Third set, baby. Oh, God. Rock and roll, man. Turn it up. Woo. Fuck. All right, let's go, baby. Time to go, time to grow. Yep. 10 reps. Yeah. Time to grow that motherfucking back, baby. It's back day. Yeah. Come on, let's get it. Get these gains, baby. Get these gains. You already know right here. Boom. Yeah. Some face pulls in, baby. Yeah. Get it. Good money, dog. Yeah. Always remember, you don't always have to go super heavy. Just make sure you feel the contraction. Let's get it, man. All right, let's go, doggy. Woo. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, come on. Come on. You get 2 more. Squeeze 1 more. Squeeze 1 more. Good shit. Come on, get right to it. Get right to it, yeah. Yeah. Good money. Oh, boy. I'm going to stay on 165 and give a full contraction. Woo. Get right to these face pulls. Oh, boy. Woo. Let's go, doggy. Yeah. Let's rock. Let's rock it out, man. Let's rock it out. Rock it out. Yeah. Get right to that rope. Good money. Good money. Yes, sir. All right, last set, I'm gonna put it on 187. Get it going, get it growing. Freak. Woo. Shit's heavy as a motherfucker. Whew. Let's rock and roll, dog. Yeah, we getting money today, man. It's that lap pull day. Lean all the way forward. Yeah. Then bring it back. Nope. Lean all the way forward. Come on. Yeah. But when you bring it back, you still put your chest forward. Yeah. You feel the contraction. Yes. Feel that shit. Because when you lean it forward, you're getting that stretch. When you don't lean at all, it's all arms. Yeah. All right, I'm going to start off on 143. Get it going, get it growing. Let's rock and roll, doggy. Lightweight. Yeah, yeah. Come on, let's get it. Getting right to the business, baby. Getting right to it. No shortcuts to the top. Oh, boy. I stepped it up to 165. Put some meat on that bone. Go, baby. Yes. Let's go, baby. Up at Onyx, getting these games in, man. Playing no games. Getting right to this business. Yeah. Yeah, baby. I do it. I do it. Those ain't veneers either. Those real. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Money. Money. Woo. All right, baby, time to go, time to grow. You already know what it is. I'm gonna end it off with doing some pull-ups. Never say I can't do pull-ups, baby. Oh, boy. All right. About to get to that back work, baby. Whew. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Motivation. Yeah, up. Gotta motivate the youth, baby. Motivate the youth. Fucking setting. Chest tomorrow? I'm gonna be here. What time? What time? I'll be at Pro Fit Talk. I got membership there too. All right, so I'm finished.